Hey, it's Keto Granny. So I'm sitting at the park, got a few minutes to spare, getting ready to go take a walk. The weather has been great. There's a lot of sunshine. So when there's a lot of sunshine, I do try to get out and get some vitamin D. Um, they say vitamin D is hard to get here in the state of Washington because it's always been thought of as a rainy temperature type of place. That's how it was. That's how it usually is. But we've had some exceptionally good weather, so I'm getting out and enjoying it while I can. Um, Today I am going to walk around Seward Park. That's a close to 3 mile walk. So I'm going to go and do that today, and that's going to be my exercise. I'm not going to work out and do that today. I'm just going to walk around Seward Park today. I'm not going to be trying to be superwoman today and trying to do all of that. So, it's really nice out here today. My husband, he's over there. He's playing with his boat. I'm going to go and get some footage of him so that I can post it. Mm-hmm. It's quiet. Hear the jets and the planes. The keto diet. What is the keto diet? The keto diet is where your body is burning fat or ketones instead of insulin, glucose, better known as sugar. Hey everybody, it's Keto Granny again. And I'd like to say that I want to talk about and some important tips that you should know before starting the keto diet. These are things that I learned along the way, but they have helped me a great deal. And so I'd like to just reiterate these things of important things about the keto diet. First of all, starting the keto diet, number one is you have to be 100% committed. You have to be 100% committed to stay on the keto diet. You have to be 100% committed to give that diet a chance, because the keto diet, your body is switching from burning glucose to using ketones as its main source of energy. In other words, your body won't be burning sugar, it will be burning fat, which is what you need to do and what you want to do in order to lose weight. Now, the ketogenic diet, they have been labeling it a fad diet, but it's a diet that has been around since the early 1920s. It was used by a doctor to treat epilepsy in children. So, on the ketogenic diet, number two, it is important that you consume 20 to 30 grams or less in carbs daily. And I would say to consume less than 20 net gram of carbs when first starting off on a keto diet, because you want to be able to get into ketosis. And the sooner that you get into ketosis, the better it will be. Um, you have to not eat sugar. You have to lower your carbs in order to get into ketosis. So the number two thing is you want to consume less than 20 grams of carbs starting on the keto diet. Once you get started on the keto diet, then you want to consume 20 to 30 grams or less in carbs daily. And the third thing, on the keto diet, you want to ignore counting calories. You don't have to count calories on the keto diet. Um, I know we've been taught so many times dieting that you count your calories, and the lower your calories are, the better it is for you to lose weight. But this is not true. I know some people who have been doing the 500-calorie diet, and they say that's the hardest diet to stick to. They switched over to the keto diet. They've had more success. They're losing weight, and they're healthy. And they were even shocked at how much more food they were able to eat instead of what they were eating on their HCG diet, getting injections, and then maintaining a 500 calorie a day diet and different things like that. They were really shocked at the amount of food that I was able to eat on the keto diet and to lose weight and to get healthier because they knew the shape I was in before starting the keto diet. Number four, when first starting the keto diet, you're going to have to allow your body time to heal because your body has been riddled with inflammation. You've had inflammation in your joints, in your body, just all through your body and everywhere. So when you first start the keto diet, your body has to heal. You have to get all this inflammation out. Your body will start healing. Once your body is healed, then you will start being able to lose weight. That's when the weight loss occurs. Once you start healing, your body gets rid of its inflammation and different things that are going on in your body. Your body starts healing, and then your weight loss starts. You want to eat good fats, and you want to make sure that you're eating enough fats. Okay, good fats. Now, good fats, of course, bacon. I'm going to say bacon because I eat bacon. Bacon is one of the go-to um, foods and meats to use that I learned on the keto diet, and it has helped me very well. I don't eat a lot of bacon, but I do use bacon on the keto diet. Some people say that bacon is not a healthy fat, but I do eat bacon. Okay, you want to eat good fats, I said, and you want to eat enough fats. Fats should be around 75% of what you're eating daily. And that doesn't mean to sit down and just add a bunch of fat in and then that's what you're going to eat. No, you would get your fats from some of the meats that you eat. The meats your meats will have protein and fats in them. So a lot of your fats will come from that. And then if you have a salad, add some olive oil or something. Sprinkle a little olive oil or butter or ghee, something like that, on to your meat that you use. And what I do is I cook my meat in an oil, and then I may make a little gravy, and I will use my pan dripping so that I know my oil content is counted in my meat there. And that is how I get a lot of my oils in. I do use things like avocado oil, olive oil, MCT oil, those type of things I add to my foods as I'm cooking. And also coconut oil is one that I use a lot of also. There are many other oils that you can use on the keto diet, but I'm just naming some of the ones that I use. You want to make sure that you get enough protein, an adequate and moderate amount of protein. You have to have the protein. You don't want your muscle to break down while you're on the keto diet. On the keto diet, you should be getting about 20% of protein during each meal. Again, you want to get about 20% of protein during each meal. You want to have up to 3 to 4 ounces of meat when you're having a meal. Also, you want to get enough carbs. You have to have some carbs in your diet, in any diet, I say. So your carbs are going to come for your vegetables. A lot of people say on the keto diet that you want no carbs. Basically, you want to keep your carbs low. That's true. But your carbs are going to come from your vegetables. If you get your carbs from your vegetables, you're getting good carbs. And those are the carbs that you want to concentrate on. Those are the carbs that you want to eat while you are on the ketogenic diet. Actually, I think it's a good way to eat every day to basically get most of your carbs from your from your um, from your vegetables. You don't have to, and some fruits. You don't have to go out there and buy all that processed foods. All that stuff contains trans fat, contains carbs, and all of this stuff stops and clogs up the arteries. It causes your cholesterol to be high. Okay. Also, what you need to know and understand is when you are counting your carbs, you need to exclude fiber from your total net carb when you're counting your carbs. Um, and then, so you have your total carbs, and you want to exclude fiber from your carbs, and then that will be your net carbs. That is how you get your net carbs. Subtract the fiber. Now, some people track the sugar alcohols also and get their net carbs because sugar alcohol is not is not processed by the body. It kind of goes straight through it. Your body does not absorb it. Hey everyone, as usual. If you like my video, I hope it has helped you in some type of way to understand keto diet. This is Keto Granny saying that if you like my videos, if they help you anyway, please like, subscribe, and share. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.